Hello children, welcome to Spark Physics by Ashish Sharma sir, the easy and simple way to learn the concept of physics. Today we will be dealing with the next topic of electromagnetic induction, class 12, and it is very important topic, that is eddy currents. We have seen in this chapter in the beginning induced current. When there is change in the magnetic flux, that means when the magnetic field is changing, magnetic flux is changing, and we see the current is induced in the conductor. But here this eddy currents is little different than the induced current in normal conductors. Okay, how it is different? Why these name eddy is given? You will find that it is kind of circulating currents, right? You must have seen when you throw the stone in water which is at rest in a pond or some stagnant water there, you will find ripples are formed. जैसे आप पत्थर फेंकते हैं, ripples form हो जाते हैं, right? Which passes energy from the point where it is thrown to the end part of the pond. Okay, so you will find those are the ripples in the circulating form. Yes, so that kind of current is this. Its pattern resembles those eddies in water. That's why it is called eddy currents. Yes. Very important topic, of course, easy, understand, see the video till the end so that you will be getting confidence on this topic, right? So the current induced in the solid metallic masses when the magnetic flux through them changes. तो हम यहाँ solid object लेंगे, solid metallic conductor लेंगे, solid metallic mass लेंगे और हम उसको field के अंदर, magnetic field के अंदर लेकर जाएंगे and we will see what pattern we are getting, what happens, whether the current induced in the same way as in the conductors or some other way. You will find there is something little different than the normal induced current in the conductor, and the induced current here is called eddy currents. So what happens, you see, these are the different than the induced current in the coil, resemble swirling eddies in the water. As I said, it opposes the change in the magnetic flux. जैसे हमने अभी पहले भी पढ़ा है कि करंट इंड्यूस्ड ऑलवेज अपोजेस द कॉज. सो डायरेक्शन obviously will be given by Lenz's law, which we have seen in the previous video. For that you need to watch the previous video. Yes, here I have made a diagram. You see, we have taken strong field north, south. We have hanged a metallic mass, say copper plate. Like in the pendulums and special suspensions, you must have seen the simple pendulum आपने किया है, लगभग वैसे ही आपने metallic masses को, solid mass को, solid conductor को आपने उसको hang किया है. Now, when it goes inside or it comes this way, you will find these are the field lines. These are flux or field lines. So, when it enters in this, जब यहाँ था तब तो कोई field नहीं था, magnetic field was not acting on it. Now magnetic flux is linked with it when it goes inside this field. Yes, magnetic flux पहले यहाँ जैसे ही ये आएगा, it will be less, then more, then more, then more, like this. That means flux is changing, and we have studied in electromagnetic induction, whenever there is change in the flux, the current is induced, and the pattern you will find here will be like this, circulating currents. Now what about the direction? Here direction is given by Lenz's law. That means the direction of these circulating currents or eddies will be such that it opposes the cause. अब cause कौन है यहाँ पर? North and south. So obviously the field which is this side towards you will be making north pole, so that it will repel कि नहीं भाई आपको अंदर नहीं आना है, you go back this side or this side, isn't it? So to oppose, it will be making north. That means by clock rule the direction will be anti-clockwise. Yes, when it comes this side, see, the face which is towards the north will be making anti-clockwise, and face towards south will be making clockwise direction. Then as per the clock rule, it will be south phase of this metallic mass. So when it goes out now, it will be opposed again by the magnetic field, and according to Lenz's law, this side will be south, so that this north will attract to it, and the other side will be north. So you will find it will not be simply oscillating. Because of these ADs formed and opposition of the cause, there is damping effect. Damping means these oscillations will decrease. Power is lost in this because you will see that we have power is equal to I square R. That means P is proportional to I square. Yes, current is induced. Since current is induced, obviously I is getting increased. So this will increase the power. To avoid it, what we do in these metallic masses, we make these slots. How we make these slots? You see here, slots like this. We will remove some area from the metallic masses. Yes. Now the current will be like this. लेकिन इसमें क्या हो जा रहा है? Why it is like this? Why power loss is reduced in this case? Because आपने कुछ एरिया उससे निकाल दिया है. हमको मालूम है R is equal to rho L by A. R is inversely proportional to area. यहां एरिया ज्यादा था, रेजिस्टेंस कम था, तो करंट ज्यादा हो गया, पावर लॉस ज्यादा हो गया. बट आपने कुछ एरिया इसका निकाल दिया, एरिया इज गेटिंग डिक्रीज्ड, रेजिस्टेंस विल इंक्रीज, रेजिस्टेंस विल इंक्रीज, करंट विल डिक्रीज एंड पावर लॉस विल डिक्रीज. Right? Then you will find this damping effect will not be that much. So as I said, when we talk about the loss, and we will find that it is very undesirable effect. What is that undesirable effect? That is unnecessary heating हो जा रहा है, and because of that wastage of the power, and it damages the insulation of the coil. Yes, how we can remove this? How we can minimize this? By simply laminations of the metal to make the metal cores, and the material which we use is lacquer. Let us see whether it is having undesirable effects or it is having some good applications. Let's see, there are few applications. So here we have applications of AD currents, right? First one, induction furnace. What happens in induction furnace? Basically, they are used for making alloys. Alloys means mixing of the many metals together. Yes. So whatever metals are to be mixed, they are contained in the container and they are placed in between the poles of the electromagnet and excited with the AC of the high frequency. What will happen? Flux will change rapidly, and when flux will change, you will find the magnitude of AD currents are set up in the metal so large that they fuse into one another due to heat produced. इतना heat produce हो जाता है कि they will fuse together and form the alloy. Yes. Second one is AC motor. Yes, आपने class 10 में पढ़ा हुआ है. A rotating magnetic field is used here. AD currents are set up in the metallic cylinder placed in the magnetic field, due to which the cylinder starts rotating. Yes. तो जो rotation of the cylinder है, it is because of the AD currents. Now you can see the third one. What it is? It is the magnetic brakes. A metallic drum attached with the axle of the wheel rotates with the speed of the wheels. Yes. To stop the vehicle, strong magnetic field is applied to the drum. Strong magnetic field apply करेंगे, there will be AD current set up in the drum, and that drum which will be that means the AD currents in the drum will be opposing the rotation of the drum and hence opposes the motion or provides the resistance to the motion. मतलब motion को oppose करेगा और हमारा ब्रेक जहां हम लगाना चाह रहे हैं वहां पर लग जाएगा. And the next one is deadbeat galvanometer. That is nothing but the moving coil galvanometer. में आपको मालूम है कि the coil of the MCG I have written, that is moving coil galvanometer, we have studied, right, in magnetic effect of current. Turns around the soft iron core. When the current is passed through the coil, it gets deflected and results in the AD currents, which opposes the motion of the coil, and thus the coil will not be oscillating for the long time after the current is put off, and you will find it will come immediately to the mean position or equilibrium positions. These are the few applications of the eddy currents. There are many more applications. So I hope the concept of eddy currents is very much clear to you. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment on the video. We will be back with few more videos with the new concepts. Thank you very much.